Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Into this video, I'm gonna show you on how to export your Excel file to MySQL Workbench. But take note guys, the MySQL Workbench will not accept Excel file unless it is converted to CSV file format. So we have to save this first as CSV file format. So to do that, let's click File and Save As. So I have to save this in my SQL file, which is in this tab, and then Excel format. Let's find the CSV, this one, comma delimited. Click on it, and let's put CSV. Okay, and save. So now let's go to our app, the MySQL Workbench, or this one. Let us wait for a few seconds. And let's maximize this one. Okay, this is my existing connection, local instance, MySQL. So let us click on it. Okay, this is the MySQL Workbench. So now, first thing to do is we have to make first a database. So in making a database, creating a new one, we can right click, create schema, or this one. So we have two options. Like for example, we have to click on that. Okay, and new schema. By the way, new schema means new database. So this is the other term for database. So for example, product. Okay, and click apply. Okay, click apply, and SQL script was successfully applied to the database. Click finish, and this one. So this is our new database, and as you can see, there's no table. When we click this one, there's no table, so we have to export the Excel file in this database. So to do that, we have to import it. Right click, and this table data import wizard, we have to click this, and then the file path. So we have to browse where is it located. It's in this tab, and sample SQL, this one, and then this is the CSV. Okay, and next we can check this. Okay, that one. Next, click next to execute. Next, next, and as you can see, 5 records imported. Finish. Okay, so let us refresh. Okay, and this one, this is the table tutorial CSV. When we want to see the details, okay, so there are 5 records. Let us check to the Excel. Okay, this one. Okay, so that's enough for today's video. I hope you like this video, and if you think it helps you a lot, please give us a like. And if you are new to this channel and wants to learn more about Microsoft Access and MySQL, please consider subscribing this channel for more informative videos. That's all, and thank you.